So today on the Street Food Chef YouTube channel, I'm cooking Jukut Undis and Babi Genyol. What I have is galangal, lemongrass, chopped chili, chopped shallot, and chopped garlic with a little bit of salam leaf and a little bit more galangal. So I'm going to add a little bit of shrimp paste in here as well, about a teaspoon. That's going to give a little bit of depth to the undis soup. You can either add a little bit of chicken stock if you're doing it with chicken, but since I'm doing it with pork, and I think pork's got more gelatinous flavor to it, I'm going to add in a little bit of pork stock. And we're just going to leave that to simmer. In the meantime, let's start to prepare our Babi Genyol. This dish is quite oily, I have to say. Then I'm going to add in my bumbu ganap, a little bit of chopped chili or bruised chili in there. I'm going to add a little bit of lemongrass, the pork as this is nicely frying. And mix that through. It's very important that the paste is coating the pork. And I'm going to add a little bit more black pepper into there as well. Add a little bit of salt in there. Get everything nicely, evenly coated. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of stock into here. Not much, just a little bit. While that's cooking, I'm going to put that on another stove and let that slowly simmer down. And in the meantime, I'm going to start to prepare my urutan sausage, as they know in Balinese. Make sure that the oil is not too hot, otherwise the sausage will burn. Okay, so the sausage is ready now. I'm gonna leave it to rest here. I now have my Babi Genyol here, which you can see is already perfect. Beautifully cooked, soft, tender. So I'm just gonna put the Genyol on the side. And as they say, watch out for those Babi Genyol wobbly bits. Wobbly, 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 wobbly. That's what we're looking for. Here we have our Babi Genyol, Mengwi style, and Jukut Undis.